Irabot Foundation Manipur held a discussion program related to the current drought situation facing the state and to find ways to tackle public issues, mainly concerning farmers, at the Manipur Press Club, Imphal today. Residents of KHELAKHONG in Wabagai constituency of Kaching district have claimed that they have been facing shortage of safe drinking water for nearly 4 decades. In this regard, a sit-in protest was held today at KHELAKHONG Mayai Laikai. Supporting the nationwide protest by the midday meal worker, All Manipur Midday Meal Workers Union staged a sit-in protest at Zonal Educational Officer JIRIBAM office today. The union also demanded the salary of Rs 18,000 for the midday meal workers, regularization of the cooks, transference of salary in their personal accounts, maintaining kitchen store in schools as well as not to terminate workers. Members of Manipur People Against Citizenship Amendment Bill visited the lone 50-bedded hospital in JIRIBAM district located at Uchathol, following which it is learned that the hospital is now lying in a pathetic condition. It is worth mentioning that the team visited the hospital on their way to Mizoram last evening. Acting on a tip-off, THOUBAL police team apprehended one person named Laishram Brojan Singh, age 42, son of Laishram Brajamohan Singh of Khangabok Sorong Wangma. Police arrested him with 300 liters of distilled indigenous country liquor from his residence. He was handed over to Excise THOUBAL. There are shortages of teachers and students. The teachers and students of Jakoradhor and Borabekra Gram Panchayat of BARAK Circle in JIRIBAM district are facing improper road condition and inappropriate accommodation of teachers. Students are facing difficulties due to lack of Meitei Mayek teachers in the school of the two Gram Panchayat. Qatar unveiled the logo of the 2022 World Cup, which will be hosted by the Gulf Emirate, displaying it in public spaces in Doha and cities around the world. The design is a stylized Arabic white unisex soul with a maroon patterning, which is displayed in a figure of 8 symbolizing infinity while creating a heart shape above the words FIFA World Cup Qatar 2022. Days after a 73-year-old doctor died after a mob assault at a tea estate in Jorhat district of Assam, the Health Ministry has come up with a draft bill that proposes a maximum jail term of 10 years and a maximum fine of Rs 10 lakh for people who assault doctors on duty. As per reports, the draft bill named as the Healthcare Service Personnel and Clinical Establishments Prohibition of Violence and Damage of Property Bill 2019 has been made public on Monday. India and Japan have decided to hold their first foreign and defense ministerial dialogue ahead of the Japan-India Annual Summit this year for advancing cooperation towards peace and prosperity of the Indo-Pacific region. According to reports, accord on the meeting was reached by Defense Minister Rajnath Singh and his Japanese counterpart Takeshi Iwaya at the India-Japan Annual Defense Ministerial Dialogue, the Defense Ministry said.